This is how air conditioners are made, from factory to your home.
Everything starts with product design and engineering planning.
Engineers design split ACs and inverter AC systems using software. Raw materials like copper, aluminum, and plastic arrive at the factory.
Copper tubes are cut and shaped for refrigerant flow. These copper pipes are bent and welded with high precision. Aluminum fins are prepared for heat exchange. And copper tubes are assembled to form the evaporator coil.
The condenser coil is also manufactured in a similar process.
Coils are pressure tested to check for leaks. Compressors are the heart of an air conditioner. Inverter compressors are designed to save energy. Each compressor undergoes vibration and performance testing.
Plastic granules are melted to make AC indoor unit panels.
Injection molding machines shape the AC body parts. Indoor unit assembly begins on the production line.
Evaporator coil is fixed inside the indoor unit.
Fans and motors are installed carefully.
Air filters are added for clean airflow.
Electronic control boards are installed.
Now the outdoor unit assembly starts.
Compressor is mounted inside the outdoor unit.
Condenser coil and cooling fan are installed. Refrigerant pipes are connected securely. The system is vacuumed to remove moisture and air.
Refrigerant gas is filled into the AC system.
Each AC is powered on for performance testing.
Cooling efficiency and power consumption are checked.
Noise level testing ensures silent operation.
Safety and electrical tests are performed.
Final quality inspection is done by experts.
Units move to the packaging section.
Indoor and outdoor units are packed separately.
Manuals and accessories are added.
Boxes are sealed and labeled for shipping.
AC units are loaded into trucks.
Transported to warehouses and distributors.
From warehouses, ACs reach retail stores.
Customers choose ACs based on capacity and features. Sales staff explain inverter and energy-saving benefits.
AC units are delivered to customer homes. Professional technicians install the AC.
Testing is done after installation.
AC is now ready to cool your room.
This is the complete journey of an air conditioner.
Watching factory process videos? You're in the right place. Subscribe, like, comment, and follow for more.